Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Deshaun. I'm here with Shoe MGK, Shoe Magic, #1 shoe cleaner in the world. And we're actually going to be giving you guys a tutorial today on how to clean your running shoes. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just take our cleaner and conditioner. And we have all we have here is just a bowl of water. So plain water, doesn't matter what temperature, it can be hot or cold. But you just want to get a little bit of water to actually make this thing a little bit more easier for yourself, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're just going to take a few drops, pour it into the water like that there. You don't need the whole lot. And basically we're just going to concentrate the water like this here. And then we're going to start cleaning our fabrics like this, okay? Now the great thing about this product here that really separates from everything else on the market is that the cleaner conditioner itself is 100% all natural. It does not contain any alcohols, dyes, bleaches, nor citrus inside of it. So this is going to safely allow you to clean literally any material, any fabric in all colors, okay? So with this awesome stuff here, this is going to clean your leathers, your suede, your canvas, your rubbers, your vinyl, silks, cloths, your mesh, nubuck, nylon. Now even if you want to go ahead and start cleaning some of your exotic fabrics as well, such as like sheepskin for Uggs or snake skin, ostrich, alligator, crocodile, buffalo, python, bison, you know, if you may have some nice cowgirl boots at home, this will get the job done without damaging nor harming any of your colors nor fabrics, okay? Now as you see here, I went over to the whole shoe, and because you're using our Shoe MGK brush, you know, it has the nylon brushes on there, it won't rip or tear any of your fabrics or damage it as well. So now I'm just gonna take my towel here, and we're gonna wipe all the dirt and grime out of the shoe, just to show you on stage 1, okay? Stage 2, we're going to use my water and stain protector, okay? Now what this is a liquid Teflon because it's nanotechnology. What it does, it forms invisible, flexible, or breathable shields over to the fabrics to make them impenetrable to any kind of weather condition. So it doesn't matter if it's rain, snow, mud, sand, dirt, debris. It won't allow anything to stick to your surfaces. But the unique thing about our waterproofer is that it's not just a waterproofer, it's also a stain lifter as well. So with this bad boy, you're actually able to lift scuff marks, paint, scratches, and gum out of shoes as well. Basically what we do, we'll take our water and stain repellent and we'll spray it close up like this here, as close as possible, when we're taking out the excess dirt, scratches, scrapes, or gum out of the shoes, okay? Then we'll just go ahead and take our towel and we'll just start to wipe it right off like that there, and that'll take all the scratches and excess dirt or anything remaining right out of the shoe before we go to our third stage, okay? Now we're gonna go to stage number 3, okay? Stage number 3 is gonna be our factory water-based dye. It's our touch-up. It's acrylic water-based dye. It's not a polish or a paint, so it won't crack, peel, or turn yellow. So that's very important when you're trying to revive your shoes, okay? Now, basically what we're just gonna use it onto the white soles here, but you're gonna notice as I go over the white soles here, how instantly it starts to brighten up and whiten up the whole shoe, just like that there. But you know, I'm kind of going over the black part of the shoe as well, the rubber, but that's no biggie because with the acrylic dye, the great thing about it, you can actually, if you go over any other color besides the white, just get a wet piece of your rag and you just wipe it over the part you don't want the white on, it comes right off. So it makes it very easy for you to use at home. You don't have to be a professional like myself to go perfectly over the lines. You can just go over it this way. That's why I'm showing you this way to do it, okay? So what I mentioned, take a towel, just dip a little piece inside the water, like that there. Then just go over the edges, just do it like a little detail, and it's gonna come right off. So it makes it very easy for you to do at home. Of course, from there, you want to use your waterproofer for your last step again. So not only is it the second step, it's the last step. Because remember, when you waterproof in the shoe, you're going to spread 6 to 8 inches like this here, basically arm length, and just like that there. Just mix it over to the shoe. And you don't touch it, okay? You let it sit for at least 24 hours. I like to do it myself. You know, I do it the night before I go to bed. I'll spray my shoes, and the next morning I should be good to go. No, but you want to essentially do it for 24 hours for the best results overall, okay? Now with that, we're done here. And now we see the before, the after, all the way around from there. My name is Deshaun again with Shoe MGK, Shoe Magic, the #1 shoe cleaner in the world, and we're out.